Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to search for peer-reviewed research articles. If an article is peer-reviewed, that means it's been read and critiqued by other experts in the field before publication. An article that's been peer-reviewed is generally considered to be more trustworthy and more rigorous than an article that hasn't been. When you're searching for articles in an online database, there will often be an option you can select in the initial search that will specify that you only want to search for articles that are peer-reviewed. For the purposes of this example, I'll be searching in the database ERIC. However, there are many other databases in fields besides education that also have the option of searching for peer-reviewed material. You'll need to check the search page of the database you're using to find out if there's a way to limit your search to peer-reviewed materials. On the basic search page, there's a box beneath the search bar labeled peer-reviewed. If you check that box, all your search results will be materials that have been peer-reviewed. If you choose to use the advanced search instead of the basic search, the same peer-reviewed box appears. You can also change a search you've already conducted so that you'll get only peer-reviewed articles for results. I'm going to demonstrate using the search term teaching as an example. When you've conducted a search, a sidebar appears on the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar allows you to further refine your search by changing things like the type of source you want to find and the date range you'd like your materials to fall into. There's also the same peer-reviewed box that appeared on both search pages. If you check it at this point, your search will be changed so that your remaining search results are peer-reviewed articles. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.